This portion is brought to you by BioCure.
Ako si Don Michael Perez at ito si Harry, isang male cinnamon Bengal cat. My love affair with Bengal cat started mga 3 years ago. I saw some newborn tiger cubs. Nag-google ako, ano bang pwede kong alagaan pusa na pinaka mag-resemble sa mga tigers. And then I came across a breed called the Bengal. It's actually a designer breed. It's a cross between yung American Shorthair at saka yung Asian Leopard cat. Gustong-gusto ko yung stunning coats niya. But then I found out na wala pang Bengal dito sa Pilipinas. So kung meron man, hindi good quality. So I searched for a good breeder and I found the nearest I could find was in Thailand. Doon na nagsimula, binigyan nila ako ng isang breeder pair and then I also got in touch with a breeder in Australia and in the US. Initially 4 cats. Now I have close to 30 cats, 30 Bengal cats. Ang pinaka-distinguishing characteristic ng Bengal cat, yung coat niya that closely resemble a wild cat. May iba't ibang klase ng patterns kasi ng coat ng Bengal. Ang pinaka highly desired, yung tinatawag na rosette. Sila yung may mga spots, tapos sa loob ng spots may kulay. Parang pattern ng leopard in the wild. Meron ding tinatawag na marbled Bengal. Ito naman yung parang meron mga horizontal stripes. Sila naman, they resemble yung parang tigers in the wild. What sets them apart from other cats, from other domestic cats? Yung movement nila. Pag gumalaw sila, para silang nag-i-stalk ng prey. They can be very sexy when they move. Usually, yung mga domestic cats na nakikita natin, matataba, di ba? Fluffy, ganyan. Sila, what makes them beautiful, yung pagka-sexy nila. Yung tail nila, actually parang tail ng dog, na very expressive. And then, marami silang mga characteristics na very dog-like. For example, alam natin na mga pusa takot sa tubig. Bengals love water. I think it's because in the wild kasi, Asian leopard cats, ang paborito nilang hangout, yung mga batis, ganyan, doon sila nag-hunt ng fish. I don't believe kasi in formal training. Well, of course, number one is you have to house train them. Ibig sabihin, they have to know, where to do their business. Ang pusa naman madali sa ganyan kasi once may litter box at nasanay sila doon lang talaga sila dumumi. I train them in a way na I socialize them. For example, they sleep with me. They stay in my room. Whenever I have a newborn puppy, dinadala ko dito. Tapos, sinasanay ko sila to interact with dogs. Very independent-minded. Unlike, let's say, Persians, di ba, na lap cats talaga yun. Umupo ka, they'll sit on your lap. Sila, mas gusto nila na running free, running wild. So, gusto na naglalaro, patakbo-takbo, paakyat-akyat.
Interesado na ba kayo to raise and breed Bengal cats? More of it next week as Don Michael Perez gives you more tips on Bengal cats breeding. This portion was brought to you by BioCure.